Hi everyone. I learned a lot about this class. There were many things. I feel like this was the start of a new birth for a business that I'm trying to do. All of this was great information. I strongly encourage you guys to take this course because I feel like it's the backbone of your business. Thank you.
That was really.
This is a business class that you need in your life. Why? Because me, person that's on social media, ain't got $1, and I helped all the souls around me. And guess what? I'm about to get paid. Because that's what this is all about. Everybody wants to understand what business is about. It's about your paperwork. It's about understanding how that face on the other side of the table is going to view you. It's about understanding how that person out there in the real world is going to view you. When they see you, first impression means a lot. That's what this is all about. Business made simple is really going to be beneficial for all of you individuals that don't understand how simple business is.
Hi, I really enjoyed myself at Garden of Eden's Business Made Simple class. It was relatable, personable, and it was broken down for you to understand it in layman terms, and even a child can understand it. But it was also fantastic that a Black business-owned woman took the time out her life to really impart and pour into young people of minority who were working to build a business. I was fascinated with the cash flow, the fiscal plans, and the balance sheet. So now I'm more enlightened on how to get started. You guys should join.
Okay, so this is them after class, just having a blast. Y'all say hi. Hi, this is the end. They don't want to leave.